Hey bro, this is awesome. Back from another video. Today we'll be doing some Fighting class. And, carrying my sister to Winter Outpost.
And
I will be
hyper.
skipping it until the boss of each run to show you guys what I got. And, yeah. Let's do this. I'll be back when my sister joins. So, let's,
We're back.
oh yeah, I got my friend Meatball here. I carried him earlier.
I
We
am
both
at a
got the Godly
sad
Pirate
level.
Defender.
I am a sad level. What up? You're an evil brother.
I'm just gonna start. Booga booga! Shush!
I'm sorry, I just want.
Don't get us
so I'm going
copyrighted.
to Hogwarts.
Not get us copyrighted.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah, come over here. Get your booty over here.
What?
Grab this egg. This is for YT too. So
Okay.
YT can also get that egg.
Okay.
Get the egg.
Got it.
Good job. Let's auto this. Let's go speed run. Speed run, no armor. Let's do this.
Are you serious?
No armor, yeah.
I have 0. Okay.
God.
I need to fuck off.
Direct challenge, Desert Temple with a Kraken Slayer. Oh yeah, guys. I got a free
You're
Kraken
so far
Slayer
ahead of me.
from some epic gamer that I asked if I could trade for it, but he actually just gave it to me.
Why are you so far ahead of me?
Because
you
I
left me
super
behind.
speed. I have super speed.
Dude, you left me behind.
It's called Arrow Ring Super Speed.
It's called you left me behind. Oh,
Yeah. Tell me if you guys think it was worth. I traded 2 arrow rings. I traded crystallized great sword for 2 arrow rings and Scar Barrage. Tell me if that was
Where are
worth it.
you? Seriously.
I'm probably already near the boss.
Probably. Oh, hi. Why am I so slow?
Because I have a speed spell.
No, because you're fucking crazy.
I guess after this we'll do after this video of me carrying my Desert Temple carries.
We are probably going to.
I'll probably level my sister up off camera. So when we get back on,
Oh, and guys,
Yeah.
stay tuned for
giveaways and
Dude, you're not letting me
talk.
Let me talk, even though I'm terrible at it.
Talk.
Okay, stay tuned for the Twin Telepathy Challenge.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do a Twin
We
Telepathy
just got
challenge, and we are going to do.
vlog camera, so.
Every time we fail, I have to give away stuff in games on Roblox. So.
I mean,
I took damage at the end. I have depression.
I was the one who didn't even do anything.
I have depression.
How did I not do it?
I took damage.
You are evil, dude.
Yeah, you don't get to do nothing.
I don't get to do nothing.
Alright, let's go see who else we can carry at Desert Temple. Carrying Desert
I just choked
Temple.
on water.
Boom, 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 boom.
I just choked on
Boom.
water. Dude.
Epic. Is there no Desert Temple? If there's no Desert Temple, I'm actually just gonna... Okay, let's see. Any Desert Temple. Any Desert Temple to carry. Any at all. I don't think we got any to do.
I'm dying.
So we'll just do this. Alright, sis, join me for one more match. And then, we'll end the video with giving
Dude, that is gonna
with
be such a short
giving
video.
some of this epic stuff away.
Dude, that's
It'll
gonna be
8
such a
minutes.
short video.
8 minutes, yeah, we're only doing short videos
Why?
until I get something fixed on my computer. I'll be giving away some of this loot here that I got from getting Godly Pirate Defender.
Dude,
So,
stop,
yeah. Did you join?
stop running so fast.
Nah, fam. Oh yeah, guys, if you use the speed glitch when you go, you can walk. When you ready up, you can walk. I love the glitch.
Oh, what is going on?
Alright.
Computer's glitching.
Doesn't matter, I'm carrying you.
Okay.
Sup? Sup, peasants? Let me through, I want to whoop some cheeks. Ha!
Well, this is just depressing.
Ah!
I'm just getting
off.
I should just stand here and do nothing.
We're gonna grind as much as we can, and then we'll go overnight in, when she gets a heal, we'll go overnight in a, nightmare thing, and, see what wave we get to in the morning, and see if we get any legendaries. So yeah, that's what we call epic gaming style.
I think I went the wrong way.
Did you join the group? Are you still in the group? Is what I should ask.
I don't know. Like, seriously.
I'll probably grind my ult and her ult together.
I don't have an alt.
I mean, I'll probably grind my ult and hers. And
I don't have an alt.
My ult and your name together because
Oh,
so
I
that.
can play the VIP server. Yeah. That
Could
has a
easily
lot
do
of
that.
Robux.
Yo, you should give me some. You should be an epic gamer and make it good. Give me some Robux so I can buy punch. Oh, epic! You leveled up. Put it in the spell. Why do you have stuff in physical power? You should probably reset that. You don't need physical power unless you're gonna be a freaking tank.
You already ate all this? You crazy man. You are insane.
What's up, ugly? I'm here to whoop you.
Dude, I don't even know where I am right now.
Sup, big ugly?
I'm lost.
I'm here to
have
click
zero
on your
sense of
cheeks.
direction.
Hey, I took no damage, and I got a spell from my sister. Hey, hey,
Doing my voice was-
hey, hey. All right, guys.
By the way, guys, our twin telepathy challenge will probably be here in a few weeks.
Yeah, a few weeks. We have to set up.
And I gotta get an SD card.
Yeah. All right.
Because I'm going
All
to
right.
bought the camera.
So, all right.
And I get to choose from
All right. Let's do this. All right. Stand with me. Hey,
Where
sister.
are you?
Sister, we got an outro.
people.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.